Hello YouTube drone community. I wanted to take a quick moment to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. This is not only for the Americans in the group, but for everyone, no matter where you are in the world. To me, Thanksgiving is more than just a holiday, it's a state of mind, and I'm truly honored and thankful to each and every one of you for watching my videos and subscribing to Ready, Set, Drone. The people that watch this channel and the other growing YouTube channels in our group are amazing, and I really appreciate you. You may not know this, but I started Ready, Set, Drone in 2014 as an experiment and quickly realized I was onto something when the views and comments started rolling in. Back then, there were not many people making videos about drones on YouTube, and it was pretty cool to see the audience and community grow. As of today, I've never set up a Patreon or other crowdfunding account because, in all honesty, I've never felt comfortable asking others for money or for any kind of help for that matter. But after some serious consideration, I've realized that the only way I can make this channel what I'd like it to be is with your help. Today, I'm excited to announce a way you can directly support and help me grow this channel. It's integrated into YouTube and it's called Channel Membership. Basically, I'm asking you to become a member and support Ready, Set, Drone with $5 a month. So what does that get you? First, it helps me grow this channel and make more videos, give away more stuff, produce more events, and generally dedicate more time to our community. It gives you some additional perks that are only available to Ready, Set, Drone channel members. For example, I'll announce a channel member of the month every month. This will be similar to my current subscriber of the month program, but taken to the next level. Second, it will give you access to exclusive content that I can share on the community tab in YouTube. This will include behind the scenes clips, photos, and outtakes from videos I'm working on. Next, it will give you an opportunity to participate with me in collaborations and live shows. You may be my next guest, and in choosing the topics for the videos I create. And finally, it will give you my eternal gratitude, which will mean more shout-outs on YouTube and other social platforms. I'll definitely promote things for my channel members, whether it's your YouTube channel, your Instagram, crowdfunding initiatives that you're a part of, or other things that you're working on. Just reach out and let me know. Of course, channel membership is completely optional. I wouldn't hold it against anyone if they don't join. I'll still continue to create as much interesting and engaging content as I can, as well as be responsive to comments and emails, like I've always been. All I ask is that you consider becoming a channel member if you can. Thanks to everyone, members and non-members who subscribe to Ready, Set, Drone. Your participation is what makes this channel a major focus in my life. As Jay-Z once said, you could be anywhere in the world right now, but you're here with me. I appreciate that, and I really do. Thanks.